Okay, welcome back. This is a Circle Pro ITX case. This is part 2. I was going to put in this H80i cooler, but it doesn't seem to be, it won't fit properly. And I didn't want to go through the trouble installing it, so I just put the 9900K in there and just used Nocturia. And I just plugged in all the cables, obviously the 24 power pin. This is the on panel switch and the CPU there, power clip, and this is a splitter. It's a 4-way splitter, and I'm just gonna, this is for the other two fans on the top, yeah. So basically my build is done. I just need to put these two glass on, of course, put this back on, install the two fans, which I'm probably going to buy another 2 Nocturia Slim fans to put on top. I got to install the RAM, which I have here. Put these G-Seal sticks on there. And yeah, so let me install the RAM and close everything up and power this baby on and see if it works. Be right back. Actually, decided to install Be Quiet fans for the exhaust on top, and yeah, it's my cable management is going to be pretty yucky. It's going to be ugly, but whatever, I don't care, I don't give. So let me put that on the top and close up the case, and let's turn this baby on. Okay, so I plugged everything in. And whenever you plug in the default RGB, if it comes on, the light comes on, that's a good sign. So the Be Quiet fans up there, and then you can see it here. I just kind of tied everything up and just do it on that side. I know it's ugly, but I can always fix that later on, I guess. So let's power this baby on and see what we got. Okay, moment of truth. Just turn it on. Oops, maybe not. Okay, it's on. Let's change this to the right HDMI. Okay, so I turned it on. Just waiting for to start up, and no signal. I think it's because of Radeon. Maybe I need the Radeon driver, so let me just put this into the iGPU to see if this turns on. It's always good to have an internal graphics card. That always helps. Just plug it into the internal graphics card. Let's see if it turns on. So it's not turned on. It's still no picture, and it's been a couple minutes now. I tried to restart it and nothing as well. In this situation, I also plugged it back into the graphics card, and nothing. Just go back to the iGPU again. And still nothing. So I'm pretty sure it's probably the RAM. It's probably a loose RAM stick, but the RAM sticks are lighting up, right? So I'm guessing it could be RAM compatibility. So let me just switch out the RAM and see if that fixes it. I'm back. So it actually started now, and it was the RAM stick wasn't tied in, and I just took it out and then I just pushed it back in to make sure it clicks. So yeah, so like I said in my other video, a lot of times if the RAM sticks are not like tight, even though like it was actually flashing, right? So it looked like it was in, but if it's not like firmly tight in, it's not gonna work. So that's where the problem was, and now it's working. So let me I'm gonna run a Cinebench. I'm gonna close the lid up and run a Cinebench, and let's see how this thing goes, and I'll be right back. Yeah, so running the Cinebench, it's actually going up to like 96 degrees now. So this definitely is not, this will not, well, the Nocturia L9i is not going to handle this case. So this really should be like a 240 AIO or even a 120. But yeah. Um, and then also the Radeon card didn't really work. So it looks like I have to download the drivers. So it's good to have a iGPU or integrated graphics card because you can always download the driver, and then you can you know, the RX 460 would work then. Yeah, so just be mindful of that. Sometimes the graphics card cannot work. It could be the riser cable. Like, it could be a couple of things, but you know, sometimes you just have to build as you go, and it's trial and error. So anyways, that's my conclusion. It's a little bit louder than I like it to be honest, but looks pretty nice on the top. And then just gonna do a quick walk around, and yeah, it looks kind of nice. Looks like a nice case. That was so there's a lot of opportunity here. Change this to 240 or try to fit that original 120 AIO there. And then I can just rerun the temps. Maybe there's going to be a part 3 to this, or maybe not. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.